Bless you. Yeah, like you were doing your rounds, I was like, I can't interrupt.
And brother and mom and dad.
Ends near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway. And more, much more than this, I did my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exception. Planned each jolly course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you, when you bit off more